Yeah, you could choose to flavor them with maybe here's some layers mash. You just flavor the termites for the chick. You can see how they're happy. They're feeding on the free food from Mama Nature, from the ecosystem. These are termites, natural food for the chicken. You see, today I've collected about 5 kilos of these termites. To learn more about chicken feeding from with what is this natural food, there is termites, there's BSF, black soldier fly larvae. You can see how they are happy. They're really feeding on these like nobody's business. And these, imagine this free. I do feed my chicken freely. You see, they'll be feeding from these. I feed them freely. If not termites, I'm doing BSF, black soldier fly larvae. To learn more of these, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, at Step Pork Hub. There you will see more and love more. They're enjoying the breakfast here. And they're so happy. Hey Cocky, you big man, how are you? Yeah.